YouTube, Brian back here again with another Hot Wheels video. Today what I have in front of me is a Amazon logo. Judging by the title above, you guys will probably be able to tell already. I was able to get my hands on the Fast and Furious Amazon exclusive. I live in Canada. I had a friend from the United States send me the link to this when it became available, and I actually managed to purchase it. Now these sets are floating around anywhere between 30 50-ish dollars. This is kind of expensive coming from the United States, being that I did pay conversion, but nonetheless I was able to get my hands on it. I'm not 100% sure if they're going to be available in Canada, but nonetheless I was able to purchase this. I also did go peg hunting today for more boulevards, but I did not find any. I went to a few Walmarts. I asked employees to check the stock and I didn't find anything, but I did come home with these guys here. I've been noticing at some locations these are slowly starting to come off the shelf, so I didn't want to wait long where I wasn't going to be able to get one. I picked up two. This is the first one that I picked up. It's a 1989 GMC Sierra 1500, and it is not the Chase. I was constantly looking for the Chase, but no luck, so I finally decided to just get one while I have the opportunity before I get none. So this is the first one that I got, and then I had to get one more because I thought this 1973 Chevrolet Blazer, just rocking this Christmas deco as best as it possibly can. I had to. These are going to be my first M2s. I am sort of big on Christmas, so these will be really cool to display around the Christmas time, or actually all year round, especially together. So I will probably be opening these in a future video. If you guys are interested in that, hit the subscribe button. Check out some of my other videos. We do uncardings here. This bad boy right in front of me will get open now, and it will be getting open in front of us. So let's slice this open. It comes in a Hot Wheels box, so this is going to be awesome. I'm real excited to have one of these now. This is what it looks like if anybody is interested. I don't know if I should flip it over. I'm going to flip it over off camera. None of my personal information seems to be on here, but this does come from Jonestown, PA. I think that's Pennsylvania. I could be wrong. Nonetheless, let's crack this sucker open. Been waiting for this. The estimated arrival said November 30th, but it actually showed up yesterday, so I ain't complaining. I am not complaining. It is sealed well. That's the best way to put it. Okay, it slides out on one end. We'll just slide it out. That's the best way to do it. Let's slide this out. That looks like a stopper. Come on. Oh, wow. There we go, guys. Fast and Furious premium set from Hot Wheels, Amazon exclusive, featuring 5 wonderful vehicles that you could see on there. Front of the packaging side, there's one of the cars part of the kit. I'm going to talk about them once I get this open. Actually says it on the back. Let's just go over it really quickly. We get a Ford Lightning. We get Jesse's Volkswagen. We've got the Maxima, Skyline, and Sylvia. I don't want to say who any of these cars belong to before I say them wrong. I do definitely remember this was Brian's. Brian drove this. Mia, and I can't think of the name off the top of my head. That's Buddy's car though. Yeah, and these two don't remember. Maxima, once again, the Maxima just recently came out as a single carded unit, so I'm really excited to get this. And also on top of that, the Lightning is also part of a single car unit, carded. Anyways, yeah, this is getting unsealed. I'm really excited to open this. I've been waiting for this. There goes the first one. Goes the second one. We're gonna experience this together. She snug as a bug. Wow. Okay. Ooh. Beauty. Beauty and the Beast. Wow. I was waiting so long for this. I honestly don't know where to start. I think I'm gonna go in chronological order, top to bottom. I don't even think that's chronological, but these are in there snug like a bug. Wow. Here it is. My phone will focus. There we go. the Racing Edge F-150 Lightning. What a classic. I'll say it here, I'll say it now. The F-150 Lightning over the SRT-10 Ram. Yeah, that's right, I said it. I'm going to spark some diversity in the comment section. I almost put that back in the wrong way. That would have been awesome. As if I didn't see it. I'm going to pull it out. Jesse's Jetta. Really awesome. Huge fan of Hot Wheels Premium. I think they do a great job showcasing these cars as best as possible. I actually didn't show the bottom of the Lightning. I'll probably come back to that next, in case anybody was wondering. Keep that down to the side really quick. Let me go back to the Lightning. Some of these bases that are darker are kind of harder to read sometimes. Just might be me. The Maxima, I am super excited to see this one. I was not able to get my hands on the Integra yet. I have one coming in the mail, so if you guys are interested in checking that video out, please stay tuned for that one. This Maxima is awesome. 10 out of 10 on the casting, the deco, and the wheels. It's an interesting line there. I'm pretty sure that's part of it. Yeah, it's on both sides. I don't remember seeing that, but yeah. Next up, the R33. I just recently got one of these as a premium, and now here is a open unit. Probably my favorite GTR would have to be the R33. I'm just a big fan of the bigger body design, more wider, curvier hips. Wow, look at this. California plates, Gretty sticker, rising sun. Wow. This is a cool one. I'm digging it. I think it's awesome. Number 7 on the side. And last but not least, the Sylvia. Oh, this is awesome. This is a S14. Sylvia S15. I say 14. Wow. At least this one you can see the bottom. S14. Oh, it is S14. I said S15. S15 doesn't look like this. I'm losing it. Wow. Again, awesome wheel choice. Awesome deco. Really good detailing. Interestingly, oh yeah, California plates. I almost thought they were different for a second. Let's go back to the R33. I don't believe I showed the bottom of it. Yellow base. Quite interesting. A little bit easier to read, but obviously you'd have to go yellow base, being that the front lip is part of the base. And this one, yeah, and the exhaust. Those are two awesome ones. Yep, so that concludes that. I will also be throwing in some extra clips coming up next. Alright, moving on. Next up, we have an unboxing coming across the world, all the way from Hawaii to Toronto, Ontario. I thought that was really cool. This one's coming from Whatnot. I ordered a mainline, actually it's not a mainline, it's like semi-premium Hot Wheels that I actually don't believe I've seen. It was my first time seeing it. Here I'm showing you again that it's coming all the way from Hawaii, because honestly things can come from across the world, and this was surprising to see that it was coming all the way from Hawaii. Purchased it on Whatnot. I literally just hopped on one night, seen someone on live, popped into their live really quick, and I seen this car and I was like, wow, $5, $15 shipping. I'm a sucker for this type of car. If you couldn't see from the background, you're probably going to figure it out once it's open why I paid $20 for it from Hawaii. I didn't really know when these came out, what year they're from, but you will soon see that this is honestly going to complete my collection of BMWs. Yeah, that's right, guys. I got myself a BMW M4. That sticker on there is my Whatnot username. It's actually G80 Brian. Love my BMWs. And when I saw this Gran Turismo BMW M4 safety car, I was taken away. I didn't know they made this. I thought it was real neat. I know they do have a BMW M4 casting made by Hot Wheels that come in a few different colors. I believe one is actually Yasmarina Austin Yellow. I was going to say Yasmarina Yellow, but it's Yasmarina Blue and Austin Yellow. So this is also going to complete the rest of the vehicles that I own, part of my BMW set, which is this 55th anniversary M3, followed by the recently released Forza Z4M. I thought this was cool. I have two of those. I'm going to have to uncard one of them soon, and I will share that with you guys in a video. Recently released in, I believed, end case, maybe something like that. It was pretty recent though. And yeah, Auto Stratus M3 to complete my BMW set. Once again, guys, thanks for watching my videos. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later.